Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see everyone in Google Meet using the latest 2025 update on your computer. First, open your browser and go to meet.google.com. Join or start your meeting like you normally would. Now, if you look at the bottom of your screen, you'll notice a grid icon near the right corner. Click that, and you'll see all the participants in your meeting listed or displayed on screen. In this new version of Google Meet, Google automatically adjusts your layout. So instead of manually picking tiled or spotlight, Meet shows everyone based on your screen size and internet speed. If you want to focus on a single person, just hover over their video tile and click Pin to keep them large on your screen. When multiple people talk, Meet will automatically switch views so you can see active speakers. So don't worry if you don't see tiled or auto anymore. This new version handles it all automatically. And that's it. That's how you can see everyone in Google Meet with the updated layout. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.